Good evening. Welcome to our SPSS class number 8. I am your facilitator, Brighton Coma, and in this video I will be demonstrating how you can do hypothesis testing using chi-square. We have this hypothesis, which is female students are more likely to support the view that people should know their HIV status than male students. Then this hypothesis will be tested at 5% significance level. 5% significance level means the amount of errors that we are willing to commit. If I commit errors that are below 5%, then I can statistically confirm that indeed female students are more likely to support the view that people should know their HIV status than male students. If I commit more than 5% errors, say 7%, then I can therefore say that there is no difference between male and female in terms of support for people knowing HIV status. By default, the significance level in SPSS is set at 5% level. If you haven't changed, then it will remain at 5%. So the procedure is as follows. You click on Analyze, Descriptive Statistics. Instead of going on Frequency, you go on Close tabs, because this is where the chi-square is found. So I was working on something. I'll take away these variables. So I'll select sex. I prefer putting independent variables in my rows. So sex is my dependent variable because I want to determine whether or not sex can determine if someone can support the view that people should test for HIV/AIDS. Then I'll say, is it good for someone to know his HIV? I'll select there. I'll go on Statistics. I'll tick the chi-square. These are other variables that you can use if you are dealing with nominal variables, dealing with ordinal variables, if you are doing with nominal by interval, and so on and so forth. I'll click there. Then I'll go on the cells. Then I'll click row because that's where my independent variable is falling. And the question is, female students are more likely, so sex is being mentioned first. Then I've actually put sex in the row, so that's why I've ticked on the row there. Then I'll click there. Then this table has been generated. This is a table that has actually been generated. So I can copy this and paste it in Microsoft Word, but I haven't seen the p-value to help me make a conclusion. So I'll go back there and see what happened to just check why the p-value is not coming. So the chi-square is supposed to be ticked. It wasn't ticked. Then the cells, yes. Then there it comes. So this is a table, and this is where the p-value is actually coming. There is the asymptotic significant two-sided because I don't know the direction of the relationship, so I would rather use the two-sided than using the one-sided. So this value here is an absolute number which is supposed to be converted to a percentage so that you can actually confirm the amount of errors that you've committed. So the value that I'm looking for is this value here, which is 0.44. So when I convert this to a percentage, it will give me a 44.3%. So it means I've actually committed errors far above the threshold of 5%. So in this case, I can say that there is no difference between female and male students. I would say there is no difference between female and male students in terms of supporting those that are HIV test. I would say there is no difference between male and female in terms of supporting that people should actually go and test for HIV, because I've committed more than 5% errors. So I would actually copy this and just show you how you can come up with a table. So here we are saying this is female, then this is male. Sorry, it's supposed to be here. Then so that's a 4 there. Then I'll say this is a 23.5%. Then here is going to be 13. Then this is going to be 76.50%. Then I will go to, so this is male, sorry. Then the female is going to be there. I would say this is 8. Then this is 34.80%. Then I will go to the last one, which is 15. So this is going to be 65.20. So here I'll put no, then here I'll put yes. Then on top I'll say, then here underneath there I'll go and copy the chi-square and paste it also in Excel so that I can actually attach this to my table. So I would say this is a chi-square. This is a chi-square. Then the value there is chi-square. Then the p-value is going to be the p-value is going to be p is equal to 0.443. Then the chi-square value is this one, which is going to be chi-square equal to 0.589a. Then here I can say sex versus knowing one's HIV status. I just want to build a simple table. Then I'll say okay, I will put the borderlines there. I want to also put the borderlines here. I would also want to put a borderline there. Well, this doesn't look good, so I would say sex. So I'll say this is sex. Then now I can copy this table and paste in Microsoft Word. I'll actually use the same document that we've been using. I'll actually paste the table there. Then, as it is our tradition, I'll further, just to make my table look so neat, I'll do what we can actually know. I'll do further editing of the table so that the table becomes more and more and more lucrative. I'll actually draw the line there. Then I'll also draw the line there. Then I will just expand on the table. I will expand on the table. then I want this to be in order. So these are supposed to be percentages inside there. I can actually say this is a percentage, and then also this is a percentage. I will remove so that I remain with 1 decimal point. Okay, then this is female. Then wow, this table looks so nice. And then I'll go there. I can actually, if I want, I can also put, I can draw a line there. I can draw a line there just to differentiate these things. And this is my table. So now I want to do the analysis for this. Our hypothesis was that female students are more likely to support the idea that people should know their HIV status. But what gives us the final conclusion is this, which is this value here. This value there, that's the significance level. So that value converted to a percentage, it will give you a 44%, which is actually confirming that there is no difference between male and female. So that's the conclusion that we can draw from the numbers that we have. Remember, we said that a chi-square is used to determine whether or not there is a relationship between two categorical variables. So we're actually trying to see, is there a relationship between someone either being male or female and their support for knowing one's HIV status. Then we've actually established that there is no difference between male and female, and that's our conclusion. So thank you so much for watching this video.